Well, it is a Sunday morning, you have the pancake batter ready, the bacon is waiting, and you fire up your trusty old electric griddle. But then you look closely. The black coating is actually peeling off into your food. Yeah, I had that exact same nightmare a few months back. That negative experience sent me down a massive rabbit hole to find a truly safe, non-toxic electric griddle. I bought and tested a bunch of the top models, so you do not have to make the same expensive mistakes. Also, I've tagged all the exact products we talked about right here in the video, so you can easily check them out. 7. GreenPan Advanced Electric Griddle. GreenPan is basically the pioneer of ceramic non-stick, so naturally, I had pretty high expectations for this one straight out of the box. The entire appeal here is their proprietary Thermalon coating, which they proudly promise is completely free of PFAS and other hidden chemicals. You genuinely feel good just pulling it out of the packaging, knowing it is safe for your home. When I first set it up on my kitchen counter, it looked fantastic. It has this nice, clean aesthetic and a decently sized cooking area that comfortably fits a few grilled cheese sandwiches or a large batch of morning eggs without much trouble. The handles stay cool to the touch, and the slide-out drip tray makes the initial cleanup process feel pretty simple. You know, on paper, it sounds like exactly what you want for a quick weekday breakfast before rushing out the door. But here is where things start to go downhill a bit once you actually start using it daily. I noticed pretty quickly that the heat distribution is just not great. I mean, I would have pancakes burning right over the central heating element while the ones resting near the edges were still basically raw batter. You have to constantly shuffle your food around just to get an even cook, which entirely defeats the purpose of a large flat top. Even though I was incredibly careful, exclusively using silicone spatulas and washing it gently by hand, the non-stick started losing its magic after just a dozen uses. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Cast Iron Electric Griddle. I mean, cast iron is the original non-toxic surface, right? That was my exact thought process when I decided to test this massive piece of kitchen equipment. It is naturally free of any synthetic chemicals, and you just cannot beat the incredible searing power of real, heavy cast iron. The absolute standout feature here is obviously the heavy-duty cooking plate itself. It arrives pre-seasoned from the factory, which saves you a little bit of time up front, and it gets incredibly hot when you crank the dial. When I threw some thick burgers on this thing, the dark crust it developed was honestly restaurant quality. The heat retention is exactly what you would expect from a thick slab of iron. Well, that heavy-duty nature is also its biggest curse. This thing is remarkably heavy, like ridiculously heavy for a standard countertop appliance. Moving it from the lower cabinet up to the counter feels like a legitimate workout, and you definitely do not want to accidentally drop this on your toes while making breakfast. Then there's the daily maintenance. You know, cast iron requires a dedicated relationship. You cannot just wipe this down with a soapy sponge and throw it in the dishwasher. Every single time I used it, I had to carefully clean it, dry it completely on the stove, and rub it down with oil to prevent rust. 5. Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle. Now we are definitely moving into much more positive territory. Zojirushi is a brand that takes their engineering very seriously, and you can physically feel the premium quality the second you take this griddle out of the box. The cooking surface on this model is actually a titanium-enhanced ceramic nonstick coating. That titanium adds a serious layer of durability that the previous models just completely lacked in my tests. I was genuinely impressed by how smoothly my spatula glided across the wide surface, even after weeks of testing it with sticky marinades and burnt-on cheesy eggs. One of my absolute favorite features of the Gourmet Sizzler is the included hard lid. You know, it sounds so incredibly simple, but having a well-fitted lid changes the entire game. I was able to steam fresh vegetables right on the griddle surface and perfectly melt thick cheese over burger patties without drying out the meat underneath. The heating element design is also incredibly smart and highly effective. Instead of a thin wire, they use a much thicker heating element that sits right inside the heavy plate base. Let me explain why that's huge. It means the heat is distributed perfectly evenly across the entire surface. You will never see raw pancakes on the edges again. It is a bit bulky to store, I will openly admit, and the price tag is definitely on the higher end of the spectrum. Ninja Sizzle Pro XL. I have to say, Ninja rarely misses when it comes to countertop appliances, and this griddle is an absolute total powerhouse. If you are someone who wants blistering high heat and serious versatility without worrying about toxic fumes, you are going to really love this one. The main draw of the Sizzle Pro XL is its incredibly useful interchangeable plates. You are not just getting a flat griddle ear, you also get an excellent grill plate. Both heavy plates are coated in a high-quality, completely non-toxic ceramic that genuinely refuses to let any food stick. I cooked heavily marinated chicken on the grill plate, and the burnt bits just wiped right off with a dry paper towel. It gets exceptionally hot, reaching temperatures that actually allow you to get a proper deep sear on a steak indoors. Most standard electric griddles kind of just slowly steam your meat, but this one actually sizzles, hence the name, obviously. The heat recovery is insanely fast when you throw cold food directly onto it from the fridge. I also really appreciate the extra-large cooking area they provided. It is wide enough to cook an entire complicated meal all at once. I'm talking eggs, crispy bacon, and golden hash browns all happening at the exact same time without artificially crowding the pan. It makes weekend family breakfasts totally stress-free and actually fun. 3. Presto Ceramic Electric Griddle. Look, sometimes you really do not need all the fancy bells and whistles. Sometimes you just need a highly dependable, highly affordable workhorse that will not slowly poison your food. That is exactly what Presto delivered with this classic design. This specific model uses a beautifully slick white ceramic coating that is entirely free of PTFE and PFOA chemicals. There's something really visually satisfying about cooking on a bright white surface. You can see exactly how your food is browning against the bright background, and it just looks incredibly clean sitting proudly on the kitchen counter. Despite being one of the more budget-friendly options on my testing list, the pure performance is surprisingly stellar. The thick aluminum base heats up very quickly and maintains a surprisingly even, steady temperature for such a lightweight unit. I was flawlessly flipping golden brown pancakes across the entire wide surface with absolutely zero complaints. The completely submersible design is a massive win for the post-meal cleanup process. Once you pull out the heat control probe, you can literally plunge the entire griddle straight into warm soapy water. You know, after a terribly messy morning of cooking greasy bacon. Being able to just scrub the whole thing directly in the sink is an absolute lifesaver. It also has a very nice low-profile design that makes it super easy to slide into a narrow bottom cabinet for hidden storage. 2. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. I mean, if you have a big, hungry family or you absolutely love hosting Sunday brunches, this thing is an absolute monster in the best way possible. It is huge, it is highly powerful, and it is incredibly safe to cook on every single day. The sheer cooking real estate here is the main event. It is massively wide. You can easily fit up to 15 eggs or 10 huge fluffy pancakes on this surface at once. During my weekend tests, I cooked a full hot breakfast for 6 people simultaneously, and it completely eliminated that annoying waiting period where half the family is eating while the other half just sits and watches. Bella uses a specialized ceramic titanium coating that they claim is exceptionally more durable than standard everyday nonstick. While I cannot mathematically verify their exact claims, I can honestly tell you that it feels remarkably tough under a spatula. I accidentally used a metal fork to quickly flip some hot sausages, and it did not leave a single visible scratch. The heat distribution across this massive wide surface is managed brilliantly by a high-powered embedded heating element. You would naturally expect the far corners to be totally cold on a griddle this size, but the heat reaches all the way to the very edges perfectly. Every single pancake I poured cooked at the exact same steady rate. Blue Diamond Electric Griddle. Well, let me tell you, this thing absolutely blew me away. I was a little skeptical of the whole diamond-infused marketing angle at first, but after weeks of highly aggressive testing, it clearly proved itself to be the ultimate non-toxic champion. The signature brilliant blue ceramic coating is actually infused with real crushed diamonds. That is not just for marketing show. Diamonds actually conduct heat incredibly well, and they are physically incredibly hard. The result is a premium cooking surface that heats up faster than anything else I tested and provides an astonishingly even, flawless temperature everywhere. Absolutely nothing sticks to this griddle. I mean, literally nothing. I purposely melted sticky, sharp cheddar cheese directly onto the hot surface, let it completely crisp up, and it simply slid off with a gentle little push from a standard silicone spatula. The cleanup is almost comical because you barely even need a wet sponge. A quick, dry wipe and it looks completely brand new. The overall build quality is also exceptional from top to bottom. It feels incredibly sturdy, the temperature dial is highly precise with a satisfying physical click to it, and the metal base absolutely does not warp even when you crank the heat all the way up for a quick hard sear. It lays perfectly stubbornly flat on the counter so your liquid eggs never run off to one side. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.